Get ready for this warm and comforting spicy black-eyed peas dish. You'll need Varo Jollof Sauce, black-eyed peas, kidney beans, and ripe plantain. Fry the chopped onions, add a bit of tomato paste for depth, and fry for another 2 minutes. Pour in the Varo Jollof sauce. That's where the rich and spicy owambe flavor kicks in. Stir it all together, then add the black-eyed peas and red kidney beans, mixing until everything is nicely coated. Pour in a splash of water, cover and let it all simmer. Give it a stir. It is looking so delicious. Now onto the plantains. Slice them crossways, old school, and fry them until they're golden and crispy. It's time to plate up. Serve the spicy black-eyed peas in the center with those golden fried plantains arranged around. Perfectly cozy, perfectly delicious.